Allegheny County in western Maryland, northeastern Monroe County in eastern West Virginia, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Grantsville, or near Bittinger, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cumberland, Frostburg, Bel Air, La Vale, Fort Ashby, Lanackening, Ridgely, Crescenttown, Potomac Park, Wiley Ford, Eckhart Mines, Mount Savage, Rawlings, Ellerslie, Barton, Corriganville, Midland, Midlothian, Flintstone, and Woodland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24, and the barometric pressure was 29.80 inches and falling. At Martinsburg, sunny skies. The temperature was 90 degrees.
Severe thunderstorm watch again.
Humidity was 48%.
Was just issued.
Winds were west at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 21, and the barometric pressure was 29.80 inches and falling. Now for some observations from the surrounding area. At Cumberland, sunny. Temperature 85.
What the heck?
At Winchester, mostly sunny. Temperature 88. At Oakland, partly sunny. Temperature 70.
There we go.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 459, effective until 12 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bedford, Fulton, and Somerset. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA weather radio all hazard station WXM43. Broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia. p.m. At 6:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Portage to Davidsville to near Muskesna Town, Loyalhanna, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Somerset, Windber, Berlin, Friedens, Boswell, Davidsville, Central City, Jerome, Acosta, Ogletown, Tyre Hill, Jennerstown, Hooversville, Indian Lake, Stoystown, Shanksville, Benson, New Baltimore, Seven Springs, and Flight 93 National Memorial. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 101 to 129. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official National Weather Service. severe thunderstorm warning for Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:15 p.m.
That's me again.
At 7:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Osterburg to near Central City to 7 miles northeast of Seven Springs, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Somerset, Bedford, Breezewood, Meyersdale, Berlin, Clearville, New Enterprise, Everett, Friedens, Osterburg, Buffalo Mills, Crystal Springs, New Centerville, St. Clairsville, Blue Knob State Park, Lake Gordon, Cessna, Inglismith, Queen, and Hindman. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 147 to 150. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 109 to 165. Interstate 99 for mile markers 0 to 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe... The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Huntingdon County in central Pennsylvania, Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, Fulton County in south central Pennsylvania, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Big Spring State Park to near Fort Littleton to Breezewood, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Chambersburg, Waynesboro, Shippensburg, Greencastle, Guilford, St. Thomas, Fayetteville, Warfordsburg, Wayne Heights, Mont Alto, Mercersburg, Scotland, McConnellsburg, Harrisonville, Rouseville, Marion, Fort Loudon, Big Cove Tannery, Crystal Springs, and Waterfall. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 for mile markers 151 to 170. The Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 164 to 201. Interstate 81 for mile markers 1 to 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service and State National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Garrett County in western Maryland, Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, eastern Ohio County in northern West Virginia, northern Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, northeastern Marshall County in northern West Virginia, southern Brooke County in northern West Virginia, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Seven Springs to near Connellsville to near East Washington to near West Liberty, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Washington, Uniontown, Connellsville, Waynesburg, Westover, Star City, West Liberty, Valley Grove, Bidinger, Mormison, California. This includes the following highways:
California.
Interstate 68
What
in
the?
Maryland between mile markers 1 and 30. Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 4 and 32. Interstate 70 in West Virginia between mile markers 11 and 14. Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 47. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 90 and 95, and between mile markers 97 and 100. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 43. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 152 and severe thunderstorm watch number 459 remains in effect until 12 a.m.
Alright, I don't know why, dude. This is the third time this station has interrupted EAS alerts. Why? I don't know. So, decided to bring that thing out because I've been abusing it over the last few days. So, severe thunderstorm warning for me at this time. Line from, I don't know where the heck this started, I forget. But it is causing widespread wind damage. PDS severe thunderstorm warning in effect. And we're out here standing because we love this kind of stuff. So, this is going to be a ride. Lots of lightning, so this is a strong line. Look how fast that storm motion, wow. Rapid storm motion. This is gonna be an event. Look how bright it is out there today. Severe thunderstorm warning again.
7:39 p.m. Severe thunderstorms.
Here we go. It's probably an update.
College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Somerset County in south central Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over 7 miles, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Somerset, Meyersdale, Berlin, Ursina, New Centerville, Mount Davis, Rockwood, Confluence, Salisbury, Garrett, Addison, Wellersburg, Castleman, Calumet, and Seven Springs.
That is me.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Nice. Sweet.
The National Weather.
That was cool. We're gonna take new SVR. This is gonna be crazy. Lots of lightning.
That down there is crazy.
Yeah, look at sunset clear down there. My God. I think it's soon time to go in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go, we're going in. Come on.
We'll go out on the front porch.
Let's get lightning bolt. Cool. Yeah, let's go. We're going to this power. Start getting some candles here. I'll take this.
Alright, I'm gonna go out on the front porch.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, I know too.
Oh, whoa. Alright.